Hello guys, today I will show you how to replace Dodge Journey Key Fob battery. So that means replacement of your battery from your key fob. So I purchased this battery 2032 is from Best Buy, and then it's cost me $10.99, and I have to pay actually 12.33 altogether. So now I will show you step by step how to replace your Dodge Journey key fob battery. Let's start how to open this key fob. So it's need to be very careful not to broken that one. So first you have to open this key. This is the key. So that's you have to put it separately here. And then this is the key fob you have to open by using the knife, that means butter knife. So look at that here, this is the portion. Here we go. I will just push slightly, push here. Just using your like that here. Look at that, here's to make a gap, and then push other side a little bit here. Yes, now it's open after a long time. I never opened this one. This is the first time. This is the part, and this is the another part, and this is the battery we will replace. So we can clean it before we replace this battery. So I will use for this kinds of puff for using for cleaning this one. So you can use kinds of glass cleaner. Careful about the cleaning. So I'm just cleaning because I never opened this one. This is the first time in my life I open it. I just try to clean as much as possible, but very careful because here is all sensor is working. So in case your sensor is broken, whole key will be damaged. So just watch a little bit and do by your own very carefully. Right now I'm okay with that. And then this is the battery I will purchase it. So it's Energizer 2032 lithium battery, and then it's a 3-volt battery. So let's open it. I just try to save other battery, so that's why I'm just careful to open that one. Mhm. This is very protective, so that's the reason it's not open. The reason on the plastic, I think, over there. That's good. So now this is the new battery here. So look at that. This is the battery. This is the old one. The same thing, same stuff. This is the new one. I replace it here. That's okay. And then and then just put it back like softly. So that's kind of nice. This is another new puff to make it dry. And now put it nicely here, and it will make a sound when it's locked. Feel it sound? So just is locked now. So just make more clean a little bit. Dry it. Dry it. So just put it back here like that. This is good to go now. I'm going to show you guys. I will go outside and then I will show you it's working. Let's go together. Let's see. Right now I'm just in front of my Dodge Journey 2009, and then I will show you whether it works or not. Let's push here. The button is lock button, and then this unlock button. So look at that, the light, it's working. So I do unlock the car, and let's go inside of the car, and then let's do one more here. This is our lock and unlock. This is locked now. This is unlocked. So let's go inside my car, and then I will show you. And then I'll put over here, and then car is now start properly. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Have a good weekend. Thank you.